Development of transition metal dichalcogenides (TMDCs) field effect transistors via reconfigurable ion gating with BMIM-BF4 1-butyl 3-methylimidazolium tetrafluoride. By Kamaluddin Saidov, Gurdial Blugin, and Olim Rujimuradov. Mode 2, molybdenum ditelluride, is a two-dimensional material that has gained significant interest in the field of electronics because of its unique electronic properties. 2H Mode 2, molybdenum ditelluride, has generated significant interest because of its superconducting, non-volatile memory, and semiconducting of new materials, and it has a large range of electrical properties. The combination of transition metal dichalcogenides (TMDCs) and two-dimensional 2D materials like hexagonal boron nitride (HBN) in lateral heterostructures offers a unique platform for designing and engineering novel electronic devices. We report the fabrication of highly conductive interfaces in crystalline ionic liquid-gated (ILG) field effect transistors (FETs) consisting of a few layers of Mode 2 HBN heterojunctions. An optical microscope was used to characterize the structural morphology and three-dimensional schematics of the transistor, including the thickness of the Mode 2 and HBN thin films. In our initial exploration of tellurium-based semiconducting TMDs, we directed our attention to Mode 2 crystals with thicknesses exceeding 12 nanometers. Our primary focus centered on investigating the transport characteristics and quantitatively assessing the surface interface heterostructure. Our transconductance (GM) measurements indicate that the very efficient carrier modulation with an ILG FET is 2 times larger than standard backgating, and it demonstrates the unipolarity of the device. The ILG FET exhibited highly unipolar p-type behavior with a high on-off ratio, and it significantly increased the mobility in Mode 2 HBN heterochannels, achieving improvement as one of the highest recorded mobility increments. Specifically, we observed hole and electron mobility values ranging from 345 square centimeters V1s1 to 285 square centimeters V1s1 at 80 K. We predict that our ability to observe the intrinsic, heterointerface conduction in the channels was due to a drastic reduction of the Schottky barriers, and electrostatic gating is suggested as a method for controlling the phase transitions in the few layers of TMDC FETs. Moreover, the simultaneous structural phase transitions throughout the sample, achieved through electrostatic doping control, present new opportunities for developing phase change devices using atomically thin membranes. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.